Right, in this video, how to learn Oracle and MySQL, whatever it may be, any Oracle or MySQL or any other databases. In this YouTube description, I shared different type of softwares, mainly these four softwares. Okay, download Oracle. This is one of the main important steps. Please click this Java thing. Okay, scroll down, two times. Scroll down here. Windows 64 installer available. Please click that one and review that. And at the time you will get a pop-up password, pop-up something credentials. At that time I already shared these credentials. Otherwise, just I already shared these credentials. Please enter. Okay, enter these credentials. That's it. Then what happened? You are downloading one important software that's called Java 8th version. Don't forget, that's important. Java 11th only. Don't use Java 8th. Minimum Java 11 required. Okay. Then if you want to, now almost all important software installation, downloading everything completed. Now, how to install? That means you want to learn Oracle and other software. Then what happened? First step, I recommend these three softwares. Please cut and paste. Cut. Control X. Now go to your C drive, either C drive or D drive, wherever it may be. If you have maximum space, I think in this scenario both you have maximum space around 380. Okay, now go to C drive. Here create a folder. Okay, otherwise right click and create folder. Here big data, don't give big space data, that's not recommendable. Big data without any space. Just now you downloading everything coming from these three folders, just place here. Then what happened? I think if you have 7-zip software, that's good. If you don't have 7-zip software also, that is also simply Google it. Download 7-zip. If you Google it, that okay, download that software. That is also most frequently you are using. I recommend 64-bit and install. This is why we are using 7-zip, just to you will get pop-up, enter yes. Okay, why you are installing this 7-zip software? Just to unzip the compressed file. That's it. Okay, that's not big data software. Right click here, you will get 7-zip. Extract here. Okay, that's it. After extracting this zip file, no need, delete that. Next, please double click and install Java. Java also highly recommendable. Java 11th version, highly recommendable. You will get pop-up, just enter yes. Okay, then I recommend this Java software also please install within this big data folder only. Okay, why all big data softwares if you include in this folder, then that is good approach. Okay, that's the best approach. That's right. Within this time, here you have Oracle, SQL Workbench. Okay, just a minute. You will get like this. Please click next. Here by default Java install this folder, but instead of this folder, my recommendation, install big data. That's it. Okay, instead of programming file, this is my recommendation. Okay, next. That's it. Now backend Java installing. Maybe it will take just 2 minutes. It's not more than 2 minutes. Then here you have the workbench, workbench. Right click this. Okay. Next 7-zip extract 2. Don't extract here. Extract 2 workbench 27. I recommend that. Okay. Just click that. Extract 2. Okay. After extracting completed, no need this. Okay. Delete this softwares. There is zip file. After that, maybe Java backend installing the software. Okay, just a minute. Maybe it will take little time in case if you have any proxy or any other security issues, it will take little time. Okay, next what happened? If you want to practice Oracle or MySQL, any software, go to SQL Workbench. Last but one, you have SQL Workbench 64. Right click this. Here, create a shortcut. My recommendation is okay, right click and create shortcut. Cut this shortcut. cut this shortcut and place in your desktop. Here you have desktop window. Okay, just copy and paste. Why start button M. Okay, okay, start button M. Here you have SQL workbench. Okay, go to desktop. Here please paste. At the time what happened? If you want to practice any SQL workbench like that, just double click and then. And one more important thing, now backend Java installing. 99% Java, everything. Okay, that's it. Close. You will get like this. Please click close. Congratulations. Now Java successfully installed in your system. Okay. Where is that? This is Java. This is JDK. Here you installed Java. One important step. Copy this. Here you have Control C or Control Cut. Anything it's fine. Copy that. Go to environment variable. Otherwise, you will get small exception. And I will show you that exception. Then I will get it. Okay. What is that? In your description, you have a workbench. If you double click that, you will get like this. You will get like this. That's why what are you doing? Go to environment variable. Start an env. Okay. Start button env. Okay. Environment variable. So just a minute. Okay. env. Okay. Go to either above or below. I recommend below. Okay. System variable also fine. Don't worry. Both are same. I recommend above only. Okay. Below also fine. No issue. Here, new capital letters Java underscore home. Control V. That's it. Similarly, go to path. New Control V / bin. That's it. Congratulations. Now 99% everything environment ready. From now, if you want to practice Oracle or MySQL, okay, now please double click here. Okay, please double click here. Now you will get. Now it's working. Okay. Now please open this. I want to connect Oracle. Then what happens? Give any name. For example, Venu Oracle, like that. Here drivers. Please click these drivers. Type O for Oracle. You will get pop-up. Click yes. Yes. Now browse. Why SQL developer by default available? You can easily connect. But this is not like that. You have to connect everything manually. That's why in that big data folder there is a drivers OJDBC 7 available. Please browse that one. If you configure this, then it will support Oracle. MySQL also same. Okay. Next, in this YouTube description, I already shared different type of credentials. This one I already shared Oracle username and password. This is Lane. Who is interested to learn these? Okay, Oracle and MySQL. Use. Okay. Just copy that. Paste. Okay. Don't give any spaces. I don't recommend. Okay. Okay. O username, O password, and auto commit. And save this. Left hand side top, there is a save button. Now test. Test means is it able to connect or not? If it is connecting, yes, you will get successful like this. Okay. Then left hand side top, there is a save button and click OK. You want to practice Oracle or MySQL. At the time, what happened? Above, there is a tool option available. Tool. Here you have show DB tree. Click that. At the time, you will get like this. Now here you have different tables. If you want to practice this table, yes. How? Simply select star from employee department, like that. Run different SQL queries. Okay, then it's working. Okay, So like that, please practice all this SQL. If you want any other extra SQL queries, maybe you are not proficient in SQL. If you want to learn at that time, in that big data folder there is a drivers folder. Drivers. In the drivers there is a SQL queries. SQL queries. Okay. If you don't have this, wait 5 minutes. I will share PDF file also. Okay. I think PDF file anywhere it's working. Here you have different SQL queries. Select star from table name, group by table name, join to table name, like that, like this. Okay. Like example, I want to know this is description and more. Let example, select star from tab. Otherwise, in between these years, select star from employee where hire date between this date I want to know. Okay, don't copy paste. First, try your level best to understand this query and execute that query. Okay, execute that query. Okay. Then there is no any June. That's not working. That's not working. Okay, like that. Like example, select star from tab. What is that? Sys date. Like that, different options you have. Okay. Now run. Tab means you will get what the tables you have, etc. Okay, like that. Okay, these SQL queries very important to learn Spark. Very important. Okay, fine. In that way, please improve your skills using SQL in the using this documentation. And as I said, the SQL is mandatory. Okay, either SQL or Python or Java. Anything at least one is mandatory to implement Spark problem. So improve your SQL skills. Okay. If you have any doubts, please comment below. I will try my level best. One more thing, you must use at least Java 11. Otherwise, it's not possible. Okay. I think we got a blueprint. If you have any doubts, please comment below. I will try my level best to explain. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye.